How to create zip file password. First of all, you install winrar software and then you click right and then you go to compress rar, add to adobe rar. Okay, and then go to here and double click here and close this windows, and next you click tools and here convert archives, and then you go here compression, here you show set password, click here and here you give your password and encrypt file names, then okay, then lock archive, then okay, yes, okay, close. When you open it, you just give your password, of course, and then okay, I access this file. Okay, thank you for watching.